Oh, Jojo lands hard shots.
Oh, I can show you a lot of action. And Sham Anand.
Oh! My God! Left.
Next fight that is going to be up now is the big one. Jojo Rajkumari taking on Ishika Thete. पहले 30 seconds Jojo always बहुत प्रहार करती है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा sizing up each other.
Like they say, Salil, it's in the eyes. Watch.
Oh, Jojo lands hard shots.
Oh, Jojo's already
You can
shaken
hear it
up
all the
Ishika.
way here at the commentary box.
Breath को control करेंगे. And once again she's coming in strong. Jojo Ishika trying
Ishika
to
is
catch.
clinching up, but it does not work for
Jojo
her.
once
Jojo
again.
slams her on the ground. We saw that in her keys to victory. That
What I'm seeing from Jojo is a lot of composure from her last fight.
She manages to land a few punches right
oh,
now
and
to be
she's gone
over
for
and
an
out.
armbar.
Got an armbar.
And
might
she
be
has
tight.
it. She has
might
it.
be tight.
And she's tapping.
She taps out.
Ishika taps in the first round.
Thank you so much, and
Thank
thank you
you,
so much,
coach.
Manan. It's been great having you as well. You have all the experience. I'm going to get Rahul back in to the studios with us in the comm box. And all right, we've got a clear winner there. No need to go to any judges on this decision. Jojo hardly breaking a sweat there.
And the next bout coming up is a featherweight bout between Abhishek Negi in the blue corner taking on Sham Anand in the red corner.
बड़ा मैचअप है. बिहार के सबसे पहले फाइटर श्याम आनंद.
And the action begins. Salil, Sham Anand ने पहले MFN में खेला है and he had a brutal loss to Sanjeet Budwar and he wants to come back. He's been hungry ever since and he's swinging for the fences. Look at that, he's dropped Abhishek Negi. He's controlling Abhishek Negi and this is just the beginning of this bout.
हिसाब से और अभिषेक
What a
नेगी ने
slam!
बहुत
What a
जबरदस्त
slam!
किया. बहुत जबरदस्त.
This is fantastic.
लेकिन अच्छा defensive, dominating the fight, and there's blood everywhere right now.
Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. No bloodshed, no glory, no scars, no story. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight Night 7. We assure you a lot of action and Sham Anand dominating all the action here tonight.
Oh, and
Another
he takes
slam.
Abhishek down.
Another slam.
Complete and utter domination in the first round श्याम आनंद का. और अभिषेक बहुत भारी पड़ रहा है उनको, लेकिन यहाँ पे रेफरी ने पोजीशन रोका.
Sham Anand throwing in strikes as if it's no man's business. And we can see Abhishek Negi.
और
full
ये
of
टेक
blood,
डाउन जो था बहुत ही
sweat
ज्यादा
here.
बढ़िया था.
And let's look at the highlights. Wow. Heavy shots, heavy shots, heavy shots. God damn. This is fantastic. You know, what a fantastic comeback. This is absolutely superb.
है आने वाली फाइट में है अंगद बिष्ट और चुंगरेन कोरेन.
And the action begins.
आते ही अंगद ने एक लेग किक मारी.
Oh, we can see
wow,
Chungren.
चुंगरेन टेक डाउन लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. That was unexpected, Rahul.
Angad has the underhook, his right hand underhook, and he's trying to slip Chungreng, but then Chungreng does something. Oh, Chungreng actually went ahead. He pulled fight on the lead card, and after this, we are heading to the co-main event for the evening.
Oh,
right
some
hand.
nice hard shots thrown by Chungren. Angad blocked them though.
Oh, nice kick, a nice kick. But yes, the Manipur gangster,
Oh, that
Chungren
left hook
Koreng,
landed
is
for
continuously
Chungren.
at work.
Rahul, Chungren is throwing some hard strikes of a high quality event.
Oh, big shots exchanged by both of them. Can Chungren Koreng pull a disappointment here tonight for Angad Bisht?
Wow, Chungren is on fire and Angad
Whoa, 10 more
Rahul.
seconds.
Angad is backing away. Angad is running away for the first time in this fight.
He lost via, you know, oh, what a kick. What a kick. That was a slap of reality. Nice kicks
low
by
kick.
Chungreng.
Angad throwing that jab.
Whoa, another
Beautiful
one.
right overhand.
Oh,
my God!
Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, the Manipur gangster in action tonight.
क्या
Chungreng
बात
Koren.
है, क्या बात है.
Manipur gangster. Whoa.
Nice
Some clean
straight punches.
shots. Clean shots by Angad. Whoa. This is fantastic. Whoa. Whoa! Big shots! Big shots!
My God!
I think what Chung Ring should be doing here is continue those combinations. Official
राहुल
Jim.
अंगद मुझे अब थोड़े थोड़े थके हुए नजर आ रहे हैं और उनके स्ट्राइक्स में पावर कम लग रही है.
मनन, अगर ये फाइट थर्ड राउंड तक गई तो चुंगरेंग के लिए काफी मुश्किल हो सकती है बिकॉज चुंगरेंग हियर इज लुकिंग मोर टायर्ड देन अंगद.
बिल्कुल, अगर आपने अंगद बिश
Wow!
जैसे एक्सपीरियंस फाइटर के साथ लड़ लिया
1,
तो
2,
आपने अपना
3,
नाम कमा लिया.
4, 5. That's amazing.
Unstoppable.
Combination of 5
Unstoppable.
strikes, punches, kicks. Whoa! Well, he better be cautious there. He better be cautious.
Wow, this is so entertaining.
Manan, I always say, easier said than done. Look at Chungren Koren. He's on the ground throwing strikes. We've got less than 45 seconds to this round. It's going to be to the judges' decision, and I'm excited to see how judges score this fantastic bout.
यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं फाइट चल रही है. चुंगरन ने टेक डाउन लेने की कोशिश करी, अंगद ने डिफेंड किया. क्लिंच फाइटिंग काफी देर तक चली इनकी. उसके बाद चुंगरन ने खुद गार्ड पुल किया, वो फाइट को ग्राउंड पे लेके गए. यहाँ अंगद ने अच्छा काम किया अपनी पोजीशन को एडवांस करने का, लेकिन उसके बाद जब ये लोग वापस अपने पैरों पे आए राहुल, यहाँ पे चुंगरन ने ऐसे लात और ऐसे घूसे चलाए हैं दैट
A lightweight at MFN 7. Previous editions, it's been a bantamweight between Dhruv Chaudhary and Sumit Khare.
I'm literally standing in the commentary box.
Fighters
This fight
ready.
is so
We are
exciting.
ready. I am buckled up to my seats. Action begins. Dhruv throwing in the first kick. Whoa! Return kick by Sumit. Whoa!
And a beautiful right hand by Sumit. What a nice spinning back kick, and Sumit flaunts a little bit of swag after that.
Well, that's karate. Another one. Another one. Manan, हमने सुमित के fights देखे हैं. सुमित is a knockout artist, but ध्रुव को knockout करना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है. Oh! Wow! What a shot!
Hard shots coming down
Pounding.
on Sumit Khare.
Pounding like crazy, throwing in those crazy elbows.
Punches, elbows, hammer strikes.
There's a reason we call him the knockout artist. Pounding one by one. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. My goodness.
Oh, man.
That was a flurry of punches. The Psycho has unleashed his salvo of ammunition.
Dhruv is
I think that's
dominating.
1 dozen, 2 dozen. Oh, he gets an elbow.
Oh,
more
man.
elbows.
Elbow strikes.
I think it's
straight
Manan, I
down
think
from the
let's
sky.
Stop counting numbers. Let's start counting in dozens now.
Those elbows are brutal, Rahul.
Brutal, heavy, heavy elbows. Unleashing the Psycho in him.
Oh my
Straight
God.
hammers, left, right, straight hammers. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the winner for the co-main event. This is Dhruv Chaudhary. Dhruv, the
Wow.
Psycho Chaudhary. Whoa!
What a finish!
One by one. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. My goodness.
Oh, man.
That was a flurry of punches. The Psycho has unleashed his salvo of ammunition.
Dhruv is
I think that's
dominating.
1 dozen, 2 dozen. Oh, he gets an elbow. Manan, in the main event, we've got the Afghan Lion, Abdul Azim Badakshi, taking on the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, Marcelo Guara. Assalamu alaikum and a big hello to all our fight fans in Afghanistan and Brazil. This bout is going to be a promising one. Manan, this is an epic striker versus grappler battle, and we can see that this is how it's starting up. Badakshi on fire, Marcelo
looking for a
on
takedown.
fire.
Marcelo's looking for a takedown, but she's doing a good job of blocking that. Or right overhand.
Fantastic. Exactly. Yes, less than 60 seconds to the round.
और क्या कमाल का टेक डाउन लिया अब्दुल ने।
It's Slick Abdul on his feet again, and he's unleashing some heavy pounding. Whoa! Again, going to orthodox.
Oh,
some
hard
clean
shots being landed
Clean
there.
shot. Oh!
Oh! What an interesting
What?
transition.
This is- Wow!
Slam has hurt him. That slam has hurt Marcelo. He's holding on to his stomach. Something has happened to Marcelo for sure.
Oh, he's holding on to his stomach.
That he's done. Marcelo
That's it.
is done.
That's it.
It's over.
It's over. It's
That
over.
slam finished him, Rahul.
Let's look at the highlights. Whoa! Fantastic, fantastic by both of them. Throwing in those strikes, missing them. God damn.
Look at this, Rahul. Marcelo had this position. It looked dangerous for Abdul. But this lion just picked him up, slammed him on the ground, and there we can see Marcelo holding on to his stomach. Something went wrong after that slam. Maybe he broke a rib. Maybe he got hurt in his back. I don't know. But after that, he was just done. He did not want to fight anymore.
Manan,
Boom!
wow!
Boom, there it is.
Boom. What a fantastic finish here by the Afghan lion Abdul Azim Badakshi. This is superb. You know, Manan, the atmosphere here is so electric.